Hello everyone, welcome to Ryzel. Today is Etsy's 11th class and today I will talk more about product on demand, and I have a video series ready that will be more about product on demand and how you can do this business model on Etsy. So please yourselves watch my videos very carefully. You will get many insights and many informational content from this. So let's get started. Let's move on to the script first. So I told you in my previous videos that there are 4 business models on Etsy. The one is product on demand, in which you send customized products to your customers and you sell those customized products on Etsy. So here I am on Etsy. As you can see, there are tons of products, and if I here write like t-shirts, t-shirts Halloween. Okay, I will go with the Halloween, as Halloween is coming, so that's why. Okay, so you can see I have seen some results for Halloween, different Halloween styles, as you can see, and some products are actually digital products like this one, and you can see it's reading here digital downwards. So we will ignore them for now, and we will go for physical customized products. So let's just example, if you can see, if the seller is selling customized products, I'm opening 3 to 4 products to see if he is selling customized products or not. Okay. So he is not selling customized product. I will let you know why, how I guessed that. He is also not selling customized product. Okay, this one not, low, and no. Okay, they all are selling non-customizable products. So let's say if I type here customizable t-shirts. So here you can see these are some customizable t-shirts, and how I guessed that these are not customizable t-shirts is that in the customized products you will see this section, add your personalization. Alright, so here I will add my personalization, and I'm seeing here a personalization note which is welcome to shop 55 customs. This is a customized t-shirt, can be printed on front only. Please select a color and size. Send us a photo and description of what you would like on the t-shirt. So he is giving me instructions what I can personalize and what I cannot. Alright, so this can be only, you can see it can be printed on front only. So this is how I guess these are personalized products and these are not. So and the personalized products, I will close the other tabs first. Okay, so how you can guess actually how you can sell these how these customizable shirts work. Okay, so if as a customer I'm surfing this web page, if I come here, if I like this t-shirt, I will select the color, like I'm selecting army green color or asphalt. After that I will select the size. I will select my size as I guess XS US letter maybe. And after selecting this, I will give them personalization instructions what I want on the t-shirt. So if I want, like be a Ryzel, if I am getting these instructions, and if I will add it to basket and I will purchase it, this store will send me the shirt with B Ryzel written on the shirt. Okay, but this is how customizable t-shirts or customizable products work, that you leave something customizable to customers so they can they can put their own choice, they can customize it a little bit and then order it and they get the desired product. So this is actually about customizable products. So on Etsy, not all customizable t-shirts are not the only products that are customizable. Actually, people are selling customizable mugs, customizable cards, customizable affirmation cards, printing cards, many other things. You'll find tons of products. So it's up to you. You find those. Okay. So you can see customizable mugs. And if I'm going to go for this product, I will open it. I will show you how they are customizing it for each and every customer. So you can see your design here, it's telling me that wherever instructions I will give them, they will customize it accordingly. So if I will not give them any personalization, as you can see it's optional, so they will send me just a simple mug without any design on it. So font choice, first I have font choices, and you can see they have given me the font choices here. We have like 5 fonts, 10 fonts, okay. So whatever the font I like, if I will go for Balladine. If I will go for this font, I will go in font choice and I will select font number 9. If I go for multiple fonts, I will do multiple, but I will select font number 9. And the Amazon text options, it said Amazon text options, image on front, image on back, image both sides, 2 images, multiple images, full mug wrap, okay. And if I can see any full mug wrap here, okay, this is the full mug wrap. You can see it's all on the mug. After that, you can say no images, other, text both sides, text back side only, text front side, text and image. I will go right later, etc. So if I will go with image on front, and now I will add my personalization. I will click here and I will add the personalized. Send your pictures after purchase by clicking on view receipt and selecting contact seller or help with the order. So when I will purchase it, I will go and I will contact with the seller, and that is Magic Mugs Creation. I will contact them, I will send them the photo that I want on the mug, will send them and they will do the rest and send it to me. But the question is how you guys can do that. Like you don't have any machines to print on mugs, or maybe you can possibly hire a vendor, but not every time, because if you are in any other country other than US and you are selling in the US, we want to sell in the US, you should sell in the US. So if you are a vendor, if you want to do that, how will you hire a vendor for that? How will if you are creating some mugs from your own country, how will you sell them? So that's a bit of a hassle, but I will tell you an easy way how you can do that. But first you have to clear the concept of product on demand and how that works. Okay, so I guess it's pretty much clear to you guys that product on demand is all about customizable products, that people can customize their products and they get what they want. Okay, so if you want to look what to sell on Etsy and how you can find them on more customizable products, just simply go to categories. Many people ask me that what to sell on Etsy, just let us know in which category we should go, what product should we sell. It's very easy, just simply go to categories and go one by one to each category. In the categories there are subcategories then also, like in accessories there's subcategories of hats and caps, hair and accessories, and after that they have subcategories of subcategories, that is baseball and trucker hats, beans, winter hats. And go to each section, you will find millions of products to sell on Etsy. Like people are also selling customizable caps, customizable mats. You can see here customizable mouse pad. If I go with this one, let's see if we can do custom design on the mouse pad. So it's up to you what you want to sell, but people are selling it. But I will let you know how you can just simply by sitting at your own place without hiring any vendor or contacting any vendor in the US or by living in the US, or you can do that a simple way. So that's all for this class. I will let you know I will let you know about the website that we will use. That is printful.com and the other is printify.com. Okay, so and the Printify, I don't recommend it. I recommend Printful because I'm working on it and it's very good. They provide us services, as you can see them. Okay, so I will not go for Printful. I will go for Printful. I will not go for Printify. Okay, so in the next class I will let you know the details about it. So that's all for this class. I will see you in the next. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.